Hi, I'm Darren, and I want to tell you about Mr. Bar-B-Q Wood Chunks. Chunks are used when you want to add a smoky flavor to food and are easy to use. As you can see, we offer cherry, apple, hickory, and mesquite. The different wood varieties infuse different flavors into your food. Wood chunks are used for meats that require longer smoking time, like pork, ribs, and brisket. The more robust flavored chunks are the hickory, which is the medium flavor infuser, and mesquite, which is the strongest flavor infuser. The fruit woods, apple and cherry, add a lighter, sweeter flavor to your barbecue. Grill smoke plays a huge role in the world of barbecue. It adds a depth of authentic wood grilled flavor that other cooking methods just can't replicate. Chunks are fist-sized chunks of wood that burn longer than chips. Chunks are used in combination with charcoal. Add your chunks on top of the hot coals. The chunks will start to smolder and smoke, creating a long-term smoke. Another method of smoking is smoking with chunks without charcoal. You would ignite your chunks using a Mr.Bar-B-Q chimney starter. This may take 15 to 20 minutes to get it smoking. With chunks, you may experience flare-ups. Simply use a water bottle to tame down those flare-ups. Now put that in your pit and smoke it.